Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Infinity of Nashua, we have the 2022 Nissan Frontier Pro-4X. This one is currently listed for sale. Link to the listing will be in the description below. This one is loaded up, 46945 sticker. This one has the mud flaps, off-road style step rails, off-road protection pack, electronic tailgate lock, Pro Convenience pack, Pro Premium pack, and technology. So very, very nicely equipped one. The premium pack gives you these absolutely awesome bead-locked wheels. There's your bed liner. Premium is going to be leather interior. Heated seats, heated wheel, remote start, tow mode, locking rear diff. Looks like your rear power outlet, cargo lamps, all that fun stuff. Nice sunroof. So pretty cool vehicle. Obviously, up until now, or up until 2022, Frontier was largely unchanged since like 05. So huge refresh in this truck. I loved the previous gen Frontier. So what do I think of the new one? I like it. It's not really much to say except I like it. If you've ever wondered, so those things on the side of the door, these little spots here, in the cloth interior they're orange, in the premium they're black, but you might be wondering what on earth are they there for. I thought they were speaker holes for the premium pack for the upgraded audio. They're not. If you look at where my knee is positioned, it fits perfectly right in that little spot. So if you're off-roading, it gives you, essentially your knee is not going to smash right up against this door. It's going to have a kind of a little spot for your knee to rest. And I kind of like that. It's something as simple as that just completely changes how comfortable you are in a car. Nine-speed torque converter auto, good old NA V6. I'll definitely miss the days of that. This dude's got like 14 ladders on the roof of that freaking van. I got the sun right in my freaking eyes. Do not turn right. Do not turn right. Thank you. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.